Okay, this is the notes about the conveyance and most efficient channel shape. So it is actually the notes how civil engineer choose the right numbers or do the calculation to make sure that the conduit is safe for everybody, and it could carry certain amount of water. Okay, so for example, we have the value of Q, the flow rate here. It is equal to Q 1 over N AR 2 over 3 S square root S. So and then we found that we try to change a little bit, because here the value of 1 over N AR to the power of 2 over 3 is actually fixed. Why we call it fixed? Because in real application, the design of drainage and so on is actually fixed. You could see size of a drainage in your home, in beside the road and so on. Actually, it's come with certain specific size. So means that the AR mean the size of the open channel, the drainage is actually fixed. So we could simplify. That's why in certain application, you will find that the value of Q, the flow rate, can be written as this one. So Q is equal K times S square root. So because only the slope affected the flow rate value. So this is another example for your notes. Okay, how to calculate the cross-sectional area and also the wetted parameter. So for square and circular, it might be quite simple, but for triangular and trapezium, I hope you could make your own study how to calculate the area and also the wetted parameter. So it is okay for you not to remember all the equation here, as long as you could determine the area and the wetted parameter. So for example, if the trapezium here, okay, so it is okay for you maybe to calculate the triangle here, and then you times with 2 for, because it is almost the same shape. If the size is same, so you could times 2. If not, you need to calculate separately. And then you could use the idea of trigonometry, because we have angle here, so and then you could calculate the length of this one, and then you could calculate the wetted parameter. Okay, so and then sometimes people you will be given the idea of this one, means you have a slope like this. So and then it will given as this is 1 and this is 0.577. So what do you mean? What it's mean like this is you could do the tangent. So this is the height here is 1 and the length here is 0.577. So by using the idea of tangent, so you could determine the slope here, the angle at this angle. So it's after you know the angle, so you could calculate the length and so on.